Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take a look at the Gray Wolf 18RR. This camper comes in at 24 feet 2 inches tongue to bumper and weighs right at 4,600 pounds empty. As we get started up front here, we have your power tongue jack with the LED light so you can see at nighttime if you're hooking up. We have two 20-pound LP tank bottles that will be filled by the Outpost RV. We have your hard shell cover with the quick access lid. Behind that, we have a red key. There is a 12-volt cutoff switch back there, so when the camper is not in use, you can shut that off and kill all power to the battery. We have your diamond plate rock guard with the curved radius front end. Up front here, we have your storage compartment with the magnetic door latch. You'll see we have a lot of storage inside with a nice bright LED light as well. We have a LP quick disconnect underneath with that white tag hanging off there. We have a power awning with the blue LED accent light. Each leg is adjustable, so if the sun's coming down, you can adjust the pitch of the awning. Sturdy steps going inside. We have the triple step, so nice and easy getting in and out, where each leg is also fully adjustable if you're on different levels of ground. Oversized grab handle to help you in and out. We have the black tempered glass door. It is going to have an integrated window and a full-size screen door as well. Since it's a toy hauler, we have two fume vents. We have one here and one on the other side. So if you're hauling anything with fumes, you can open those up and keep it aired out as you're traveling down the road. Outside speakers that light up blue. We also have your outside entertainment center with the TV bracket. Same bracket on the inside. You simply lift your TV up, bring it out here, slide it in, and your connections are right over here on the side. We have your adventure package. So we have the 2-inch lift as well as the off-road tires here. You'll notice the center cap is popped off. These are the quick, easy lube axles. All four wheels have self-adjusting brakes and a tire pressure monitoring system. How that works, the side of this will turn red if you're low on air. So we'll unscrew that to demonstrate. That way you can walk around and do a visual check before you head off for your next destination. Back here we have your leash latch so the furry family members can tag along. And I apologize, on this model, that second fume vent is on the same side. It's going to be right back here at the rear of the camper. As we move to the back, we have your patio system. So if you're not loading up, you can turn it into a patio and get all of this usable space as well. We have the fence that goes all the way around. Up top, nice bright LED light. There is also a backup camera already on board, and then we have your moon shade. It's sitting in the corner inside there. That is going to be a dome that you can put up to get some sunshade back here. As we make our way to the side here, this camper is equipped with the electric stabilizer jacks. In the back here, you have one switch that'll run the back two jacks. You simply hold extend and one leg will come down and hit the ground first, then the other one will come down and equal out in pressure. Here we have your furnace vent. It's a 30 amp unit and it will come with a 25-foot detachable power cord. Next up is your outside shower with hot and cold water. It's going to have this coil hose sprayer as well. We have your black tank flush over here, so when you're done camping for the week, hook your water hose up and that'll clean out your black tank for you. Nice bright LED light by your connections and dump station here. Cable connection, if the campground offers that, you can tap right into it. Here is your water fill, so we have your fresh water on the left, so if you're going to be dry camping or boondocking, fill up your fresh water tank, turn on your water pump, and use that water. If you're at a campground, you simply hook up to your city water connection, and that'll pressurize the lines for you. Down below is your dump station. The gray handle is for your gray tank, and the black handle is for your black tank. Here's the other switch for the front jacks up here. And last but not least, we have your on-demand tankless water heater. So it is gas only, but you're only using gas when you're running hot water. So it's about 60% more efficient than what we've used in the past. That'll conclude our outside walkthrough of the Gray Wolf 18RR. And now we'll take a look at the inside. As we move to the inside, you'll notice the tie-down brackets go all the way up by the mattress here. We're going to have your bed on the right-hand side. The bathroom is directly inside as well. And then we have your kitchen area, your open toy hauler area here. They have the tie-down brackets all the way in the back. They also have a pair right up here. The ottoman is covering one, but there's another one over here on the left-hand side underneath that ottoman. And just inside the entrance door, we're going to have your 110 outlet there, your main control panel, and that will show you how full your tanks are. It's going to turn on your water pump. There are also 12-volt heating pads on all of your holding tanks for cold weather camping, light switches, and awning in and out. Up here is for your stereo. That will control the speakers. Inside and outside, it is a Bluetooth system, so you can sync your phone to it. and play music from your favorite app, such as Pandora or YouTube. There is an inside look at the fume vent. Two massive windows here. We have the night shades included. There is a 110 outlet in between the windows here. And then we have your dinette area. We have your bench seating with the removable table. You can very easily take that outside if needed. The back will also pull off of this bench here, and it turns into another place to sleep here. Underneath the moonshade in that back corner, we're going to have your secondary fume vent there. And now we're going to pan up to the ceiling. You'll notice the interior speakers that light up blue. And we have your AC roof mounted as well. All the additional lights they add in the kitchen. Here's a great time to look at them. Grey Wolf does a great job at keeping it nice and bright inside here. We also have the screen wall, which you can unroll here. So that'll help keep the bugs out and the air in. And of course the patio system, which just opens everything up, lets in a ton of fresh air and sunlight as well. In the kitchen area, we have your overhead cabinets with the glass fronts. Range vent that will vent to the outside. Nice large kitchen window here. We are going to have the high-rise faucet. That is going to include this pull-out sprayer. We have your cup rinsing station on the left. You simply take your cup, turn it upside down, push down on it, and that will rinse it out for you. We have the farmhouse-style kitchen sink. It comes with the cutting board and the drying rack as well. But that is a nice large single bowl sink here. To the left of the window, we're going to get two 110 outlets and a 12-volt charge port as well. There's a ton of 110 outlets all throughout the camper here. Storage drawer on the left-hand side, and then at the very bottom, they were thinking ahead, and they have added a trash can already built in here. There is going to be some storage underneath the sink area, so we'll open that up and take a look down here. Nice storage underneath. Underneath the microwave is going to be your furnace. And then just up above the furnace, we have your microwave, which is actually a 3-in-1. That is going to be a microwave, a convection oven, and an air fryer. And then we have your 3-burner stove with the glass cover, so you can utilize that as prep space if you are not cooking. And we have the fancy blue LED lights on the knobs there. Underneath the fridge, we have your breakers and fuses. And your furnace is ducted through the cabinets there. You'll see one of the furnace ducts. This is a 12-volt refrigerator. It is 12-volt only, but you can still run it as you are traveling down the road. There is currently 200 watts of solar already mounted on the roof of the camper. That will also help run this as you are traveling down the road. The 12-volt refrigerators are much deeper than the gas electric, and they cool down in a fraction of the time as well. While we're over here, we have this little portable ottoman. It will collapse very easily, and it folds down to basically nothing, but it is a nice little storage compartment. You can throw your blankets in there, and if it's not needed, again, it will fold up and move right out of the way. Right beside the refrigerator, we are going to have your pantry. This is a really nice pantry here. As you can see, it goes all the way down to the floor and all the way up to the ceiling with multiple shelves. And then we have your TV area here. You also notice the bracket already on the wall. And then we have your connections up top. Underneath that, we're going to have your thermostat for the furnace. And then we have your CO detector right down below. Next up, we'll move into the bathroom. Directly inside, we're going to have your toilet. Storage underneath the sink here. We do get a nice large sink in the bathroom. They've added the additional counter space to the right, making it very functional as well. We have a 110 outlet over there, a light switch, and then up top is going to be a thermostat. That is for your on-demand tankless water heater, so you can turn it on and off and adjust the temperature of the water itself. Nice large medicine cabinet, and we also have this Max Air exhaust fan that is a multi-speed vent fan. In the shower, we have a skylight up above, shower curtain to pull across, and we have the surround with the built-in shelves here. Handheld shower wand. And we have a nice rectangle shower pan down below here. So really nice bathroom in the 18RR. Next up, we're going to take a look at the bedroom area. Down below here at the foot of the bed, we're going to have this 110 outlet that looks a little bit different. That is going to have a built-in inverter. So as you are traveling down the road, you can pull over to a truck stop, turn this on, and have 110 power to that outlet. We have hanging storage here. There is another spot here. You'll see the TV backer sticker on the wall. You can add a TV here as well. The connections are already up top. We have some hanging storage here. And behind that hanging storage is going to be a cubby hole area with a shelf back there. Cabinets up above with the doors, so you can utilize that as storage as you're traveling down the road. We have a window at the head of the bed. And of course, the comforter comes with it as well. And then there is going to be a curtain that you can pull across for privacy here. And that will conclude our walkthrough of the Grey Wolf 18RR. I really appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.